So we're going to see how, well, the test today is going to be how low a head speed we can fly it with, because I normally fly it on about 12, between 12 and 16. So we're going to weigh it first. If I put that on there, right, set to 0. $3,840. So that's with a battery and canopy all plugged in. 3.84 kilos. Compared to that, which I guess we can weigh that in a bit. Right, so I think this is 1200. Drop it to 11.
You're going to come down 100 RPM each time?
I think so. I mean, the other way is, if this takes too long, I could go the other way, start at 8 or something and then go up.
Yeah.
Let's just see how this one does.
Headspeed 1037, current 14, output 36.
Still got time.
Does it feel sluggish?
Oh, definitely more than, definitely more than, I mean, we've lost 10% of the head speed.
It's still controllable though, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Try a little lower.
Borderline.
Well, any lower and it's going to go into autorotation territory.
What are you doing now, 900?
I'm just putting in a ESC value.
Headspeed 1011, current 10, output
This is 1000. I can climb, but it's not great. I mean, I've got 13 degrees, so potentially I could go up, but then again, I don't want to fold the blade.
No, I was going to say you'll fold them.
Yeah. So there is enough climb downwind. I don't think it'll go much below that, but I think it's worth a try.
I think you'll know on the climb out. It's really.
I'm
I'm worried that you're going to go that low that you ain't going to be able to recover from it.
What's my? Oh no, my autorotation value is 31, so we could still go a bit lower. But at some point, the motor's going to turn off.
That's
Headspeed 132,
9.
8. Output 41.
You've got a hell of a, you've got a vibration on it, it's got a wobble on it now.
So if we go up, actually, let's try and, if it'll go any lower, just see if it,
You're going to get a vibration, you're going to get a wobble, aren't you?
well, if it's a resonance thing, it might be, if we stay below it.
What's that now?
Headspeed 832. Current 8. Output 36.
Yeah,
Nah.
it's not a wobble. I think it's just too much pitch for the head speed. I think where we were.
Headspeed 945. Current 10. Output 41. Headspeed 954. Current 9. Output 41. Headspeed 1008. Current 10.
Right, so I think 1000 is probably as low as it's going to get.
That's what that is now.
Yeah, so there's no shake there. The climb isn't great, but
It's there.
I don't know if I can add more.
More what? Pitch?
Yeah, more pitch. But
You have more pitch, you're going to stall the blade, don't you? At that head speed. I'll give you one thing, it's really quiet.
it's actually amazing. I mean, I thought 1200 was low, but it's actually taking it.
And for basic manoeuvres and whatnot.
Well, not even that basic manoeuvre. I mean, you can
No, I mean-
circuit really slowly. I'll do it quicker. I think it's just me that's a bit nervous. Let's just see what the current output is.
Headspeed 1004. Current 17. Output 47.
So that's 17 on 6S.
Yeah. You'd be able to fly for half an hour like this. About 20 minutes at least anyway. You get into Dale's territory now. I mean, it's still got a fair pace on it as well, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's just me holding it back. And I'm just...
That is so quiet.
Yeah, it's crazy. Anyway, we're doing awesome.
You can have enough. You can have enough headspeed.
Otherwise, this will be the worst. Well, it'll be interesting to see if the head speed goes up or down all the time.
That's gone up.
The head speed actually goes up.
It goes up. That's bizarre.
Well, that was 7 minutes, and I've still got 30% left in the pack. Yeah.
Happy days.
Yeah, not bad.